Now let's consider the pine tree itself. Pine trees serve as both pantry and shelter. Their cones contain seeds rich in fats and proteins, critical energy sources. Squirrels feed by gnawing cones, open scale by scale, using sharp incisors. The pile of discarded cone scales beneath trees is called a midden, a clear sign of feeding activity. Though squirrels are primarily herbivorous, they are technically omnivores. They may occasionally consume insects, bird eggs, or nestlings if the opportunity arises. Parrots feed differently. Their curved, hooked beaks allow them to pry apart tough cone scales. Pine seeds provide high-calorie nutrition that supports flight and reproduction. In some ecosystems, parrots rely heavily on conifer seeds as a seasonal food source. So yes, there is dietary overlap. Both species consume seeds and fruits. In urban habitats, where mature trees are limited, competition for cavities and food can increase. What about the apparent conflict in the poem? Parrot tail flaring signals alertness or territorial interest. Squirrel tail flicking and chattering signal defensive occupancy. Physical fights are uncommon. Most encounters follow a pattern: assess, display, withdraw. So who owns the tree? Ecologically speaking, no one permanently. Woodpeckers excavate, squirrels insulate, parrots inspect and breed. Pine trees sustain them all. The hollow is not possession. It is opportunity shaped by timing. What looked like rivalry in the poem is actually layered dependency in nature. And that is the deeper answer to the question, who owns the tree? No one and everyone. If you've ever witnessed a small moment in nature that changed how you see the world, share it in the comments. Whispers on the way.